Lesson 5.2, your turn, number 1. The manager at the same sports store bought a higher-end skateboard for $56. What is the retail price for this skateboard after the 42% markup? So just like in the problem above, the first thing that we're going to do is take this 42% markup and apply it as a decimal, which would be 0.42. And I'm going to multiply it this time times the original price of $56. So 0.42 times 56 comes out to be $23.52. So 42% of $56 is $23.52. So because it is a markup, we are increasing the amount by $23.52. So we are going to add our original amount and the markup amount to find the retail price. So the retail price here of this skateboard is $79.52.